DJI just came out with a new version of this microphone here, and you can see it on my shirt and also on the table because I've got one and I cannot wait to unbox it. So welcome in the studio, guys. I am Flash and this is the DJI Mic 2, the mic which came included with the DJI Pocket 3 inside the creator combo and is here on my shirt. But this is the full kit that DJI just released after a few months, and it is amazing. It comes with new features, but we will talk about them after we unbox it. So let's start unboxing it, and don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss the upcoming videos on the channel, and also hit the like button at the end if you liked this video. Let's start by ripping this plastic apart. Pretty nice packaging here. We have all the things included in the box listed down here, but let's see for ourselves what comes included and how is it presented by DJI. Oh, a similar thing with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator combo. So in the box there's this bag here, which comes with a sticker and some documentation. There's a lot of stickers, not only one. Cool stickers, nice. And the pouch comes with a tag. Let's rip it apart and get rid of it, and let's see what is inside here. Oh, nice bag, really nice kit here. Some silica gel, 2 windscreens, USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, the audio cable to connect with the camera, and this is it. The pouch is empty, and here is the new DJI case, which is sealed. So satisfying. And I'm not sure if this is metal. It is not cold to the touch, but it looks like some kind of aluminum which is coated or painted. And let's open up the case. Ooh. As I can see from the start, the receiver is a lot bigger than the one in the DJI Mic 1 kit. And let me show you, there's a bit of a difference here. Yeah, the new receiver is bigger. And also, the DJI Mic 2 is bigger than the DJI Mic 1. Let's compare them. It is not a lot bigger, but as you can see, it is a bit different than the first version and looks nice because you can see all the components inside. On the top, it is a bit different than the first version. The mic opening is a lot bigger. It is a huge grill. On one side, we have an LED indicator, the USB-C port, and the record button, and on the other side we have another LED indicator light and 2 buttons. One of them is the linking button and the other one is the power on and off button. And on the bottom we have the connectors for the charging case, and on the new one they are located a bit to the left or to the right, depends how you look at it. And the magnet which comes with the DJI Mic 2 is bigger and stronger. Another thing is that the magnet now has 2 faces to differentiate the 2 transmitters, so you can have one like this and one like this. And behind the receiver in the case we can find the lightning connector and the USB-C one if you want to connect the receiver to your smartphone. Even though it is bigger, the receiver feels a bit lighter, but I'm sure it is not lighter. In the front we have a crown. This will allow us to select things in the menu. On the side we can find the output jack and the headphones jack, and on the other side we can find the power button. On the bottom of the receiver we find the USB-C port and the connectors for the case, and also here is this cover for the lightning or USB-C connectors. This is the cold shoe, and let's set it up on English. So I will click here and I will assume that it will go further in the setup, but no. So you need to hit the arrow not to touch the language. So let me set the date. This is how the main screen looks on the DJI Mic 2. It picks up the microphone because as soon as I pulled it out of the case, this microphone was, let's say, activated, connected, and as soon as I will pull out the second mic, they both show up on the screen. Nice. A very nice setting here in the menu is on receiver settings. If you click and go to recommended camera settings, now you can select the brand of the camera, and I will select Sony, and then I will select the model, and maybe it will have the best settings. Let's set here A7S3, okay, and probably it has now, it will provide the best settings for the camera that you are using. So this is awesome. Okay, let's put everything back here and let me tell you about a new feature of the DJI Mic 2, which seems to be the best one in my eyes, because now the receiver can power on and off with your camera, and this is amazing. I cannot remember how many times I've started recording something and I forgot to turn on my microphone. Even if it was plugged in the camera, it was turned off, and it sucks to record something and later find out that your video is muted completely. So yeah, this is the first and the best feature that comes to my mind. The other one that I have just seen is the recommended camera settings, because you cannot go wrong if you are using it in a normal way, like talking to the microphone, and not in maybe concert environment or close to some loud speakers. Honestly, I'm 100% sure that this is a very reliable and very good sounding microphone, because I'm starting to trust DJI products more and more. And the single thing that I can say about the DJI Mic 2, the single thing that I not dislike but I liked better on the first version, is the case. This case, I don't know, feels better than the new DJI Mic 2 case, which, yeah, it has this locking feature, but I never got my DJI Mic 1 case opened by mistake in a bag or everywhere else. Yeah, it is great as it is, but I liked this one a little more. Of course, the new mic has the 32-bit float mode, which is marketed by everyone, and it is great. It is a recording setting which should be present in any 2024 microphone, in my opinion. So yeah, I will not rave about it, but it is here and it is amazing to record in 32-bit float, because you can save almost everything. This doesn't mean that you can improperly set your gain. You can do it, but the best way to use 32-bit float is to set everything properly, and only if you need to pull down a bit on the gain, you will have the dynamic range to do it. So yeah, this was my unboxing of the DJI Mic 2. I hope you liked it. Honestly, after unboxing the DJI Pocket 3 and using the DJI Pocket 3, I have been using a lot this DJI Mic 2, which came included as a solo microphone. Let's say the microphone wasn't connected to anything, but I have recorded all the things internally and then synced up the audio in post. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. See you soon on the channel. Flash out.